This is the GSN 9034DK Professional, the powerful pneumatic nailer for optimum work progress. The Bosch Full Force technology makes it more compact and powerful than other nailers, and it has a long lifetime. For you, this means less reworking and higher productivity. Thanks to its very compact design, the GSN 9034DK Professional is the ideal tool for precise and comfortable working, even in tight spaces. You can adjust the drive depth quickly and easily on the GSN 9034DK Professional without the need for additional tools. The robust metal strike plate protects the driver unit and helps when aligning the material. The SDS nail magazine has an easy, tool-free release system. Experience for yourself the GSN 9034DK Professional Pneumatic Nailer. Every second counts. Every nail is driven perfectly.